TYPHOON Wash Pad is a comfortable and highly effective car wash tool designed for both automotive enthusiasts and professional detailers.
Moving out the purges, I give time if it was worth it.
Its large working surface and high absorbency allow it to handle even heavier dirt with ease, while significantly speeding up the washing process.
Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison.
The high-quality microfiber is gentle on paint, yet effectively lifts and traps dirt without causing scratches. Its ergonomic shape fits securely in the hand, greatly improving comfort even during longer washing sessions. This is a versatile solution that works perfectly for everyday vehicles as well as more demanding detailing projects.
Back then they didn't want me, now they want to beat me. Keep the grass cut low, cause them snakes still sleazy. Always knew I had to glow, I just had to find a reason. Walk around.
Complete your detailing lineup with professional-grade accessories from Work Stuff.